I'm gonna show you guys, well, we're gonna show you guys what you can get from the dollar store or from Walmart to do the body paint. I already made them. You wanna open them up, Noah? Yeah. So here we have, what color is that? Blue. My favorite color. Alright, blue, that's his favorite color. Alright, so here we go. We're going to test it out. Yeah. Here's the blue. Here's the blue. Let me see your hand. So here we go. Here we got blue right here. Now let's try the next color. This is pink. And the color is? Red. Alright, so let's test out the red. You want to grab the red and put it in my arm? Yeah. Okay. Okay. We got red. Yeah, we have some red. Yay! Okay, now next color we have green. Green, but the inside of it is white. White. All right, let's put white. Yeah. Here, I'm gonna grab white. And put it on mine. Here we go. Best thing of it is washable. It's easy to take off. Yeah, that thing take off. So this is what you guys are gonna need. You got two options, whether you use a coconut oil or Vaseline. You can use paint, or you can also use food coloring. You can use this kind of cream as well. We got these little containers right here. And then this little special. And we got the scissors to cut it. It's easier press. And we got these little bowls right here. And we got these where we're going to put the colors in. You could use a pen or you use a candle. So we're going to put these, we're going to add the colors, but we're going to cut it up to make it easier. With the scissors, we're going to cut it and put it in here. Once it's in here, we're going to put it in here, boil it, and you'll see the rest.
In here? Okay. We're gonna use a little bit of Vaseline. Oh, that's too much.
Not that too much.
Okay, that much. Now we're gonna put it.
When it's melty, you want to spread it around.
Alright, so now we're gonna put in the black in here. A little bit of cream, diaper rash, and we add a little bit of Vaseline. And we added the color we want. Now we're gonna let it sit there till it melts, and we're gonna stir it, and we're gonna put it into one of these containers. This is a black one. Now we got 3 other colors to go. Dump in the green.
Look like this, and once it's like that, you want to put it in the refrigerator for an hour, and then once it's ready, you can play with it. Okay, so when that's ready for an hour, for now we're going to play with the pumpkins. We're going to make a pumpkin, and we're going to have snacks. Happy Halloween! my pumpkin. I did a bruja, a witch. We're gonna have snacks. We're having popcorn, candy, and chips with salsa. And guess what, Noah? What? It's time to test out the colors!
All done now. So let's test it out. You ready? You want to go first?
Yeah.
Here you go. Pick out the color you want and you can put it on my face. So what color we're going to start off with?
Maybe black.
We're going to start with black.
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
I have to black. Ooh. We are picking red. Let's put it on my face. So this is what it look like. Yeah, they were nice. Put it on my face.
Your face, all right. Put it in another area where you don't have it. You already put it right there. How about you put the white right here? On your cheeks. There you go. There goes the white. So now we have one more last color to taste out, which is the blue.
Yeah, my favorite color.
All right. There you go. That's enough.
Yeah, you have to put that on my face.
All right, put it in your face. Put it in another area. You already have blue right there. Oh. How about you put it in your nose? Somewhere where you haven't paint in your face yet. There you go. There goes the blue.
Yeah. So look at my face. My face is funny. I just painted my face. So here are all these colors we just did. So we got. So we are having the snack, guys.
It's time to wash our face.
Yeah, it's time for wash our face time. Bye, guys. Is it good eating all these snacks? Yeah.
We had so much fun doing body paint with you guys. Hope you guys like this. Make sure you guys subscribe my channel and make sure you go check out his channel, which is called
Noah Nation Adventures. Yeah, check out my channel, check out Christina's channel. Check out both of our channels and hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification. It's Christina make scary faces, and now
my channel is called UniqueAlienPinkyMakeup.
So my channel's called Noah Nation Adventures. So subscribe, hit the notification button.
So you want to see us do more body paints and do other fun things? Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Thank you.
Click on all